As part of this transformation of the facility, that required us moving from a break-fix cycle into more of a managed services approach. That translates to hundreds of thousands of dollars that we take out of the budget each year. I'm Ron McDowell. I'm the association manager here at the Sanctuary at Falls Cape Condominium Association, comprised of approximately 250 condominium units across a couple different buildings here at the oceanfront in Virginia Beach. Right on the ocean, one of our most valuable assets is our roof. It is also one of our most vulnerable assets. The vast majority of the roofing was asphalt shingle roofing. We do have some areas that were standing seam metal roof. In the harsh environment that we're exposed to, the asphalt shingles take a severe toll as a result of direct sunlight. In the summertime, they take a direct toll from a result of high winds through hurricanes and storms coming from the coast. And we had not had the appropriate maintenance in place for those asphalt shingle roofs. As part of this transformation of the facility, that required us moving from a break-fix cycle into more of a managed services approach. With Limble, we put in place routine maintenance on a quarterly basis to inspect the roofs, to maintain the roofs. We also put in place a process to inspect the roofs pre and post storm with the results documented in Limble. We had also gone through both a technical and financial analysis of replacing the asphalt shingle roof with a standing seam metal roof, and we are now in the process of replacing the asphalt shingles on both buildings with a standing seam metal roof. And that one asset, the roof, and the savings associated with the transition from the asphalt shingle roof to the standing seam metal roof was nearly 25% savings in our budget over the long term. That translates to hundreds of thousands of dollars that we take out of the budget each year. We are bearing the cost of the neglect from the past that now we not only have to maintain, but we have to restore just to get the facility to its original point. And if we continue to maintain, that will become a much more cost-effective proposition going forward.